Here's the last unboxing of my Formlabs L family setup, the Form 4BL. The B in the name stands for biomedical, which gives me access to some biocompatible materials. It's nice to have that as an option if and when I need it. And here's the big reveal, sorta. This is by far the nicest printer I've purchased, so I guess you get a nice cover when you make this type of investment. Thanks again to Formlabs for partnering with me. It's hard to explain how big this thing is, but here's my attempt with the filament roll. It's huge. This is definitely a two-person job, but I'm going to try my best to go ahead and get it into position. After measuring the height of the machine, it looks like it'll just fit onto the shelf. Yeah, there was no way I could lift the printer up that high by myself, so I moved the carrier onto the shelf instead. And even getting the Form 4BL up onto these cabinets was a struggle. It weighs a little over 100 pounds, but the bigger issue is that it's so hard to grab by yourself because of how bulky it is. It fit pretty well in these cabinets, so I think this is a good spot for it for now. Here's the cool printer leveling process. You use these discs to raise or lower the feet to get everything level. The next step is inserting the tank and locking it into place. Again, here's the filament roll for scale. Next is adding the mixer, which snaps in like this. And then finally, the flexible build platform. There's this nicely thought out hook on the inside wall to hang the build platform from to let extra resin drip back into the tank between prints. This thing looks pretty sick and I'm pretty happy with the overall setup. Follow along for the first print. Thanks for watching.